In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Printify account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. Verification is an essential step to ensure that your Printify experience is seamless and that you can start creating your products without any hiccups. To get started, you'll first want to log into your Printify account. If you've already created an account, great, just enter your login credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, pause this video, go ahead and sign up. It's a quick process. Once you've logged in successfully, the first thing you need to do is navigate to the account settings. You can find this usually in the upper right-hand corner of your dashboard. It's typically represented by your profile picture or an icon that looks like a person. Click on that, and it will take you to a drop-down menu. Here, look for the option that says Account Settings or something similar. Go ahead and give that a click. Now that you're in the account settings, you're looking for the verification section. Depending on when you're watching this video, Printify may have slightly updated their interface, but you should see a tab or a section related to account verification. If you're having trouble finding it, don't worry. Look for anything that mentions verifying, security settings, or personal information. In this section, Printify will usually ask you for some basic information to confirm your identity. You might need to provide your name, address, and possibly some identification documentation or business information, especially if you're planning to sell your products. This is a standard procedure, and it helps them ensure that all accounts are legitimate. After you enter your information, you might need to upload a form of identification. This could be a government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport. Make sure the document you upload is clear and readable. If the image is too blurry or cut off, it could delay the verification process. Take a moment to double-check that you're satisfied with everything before you hit the Submit button. Now, once you've submitted your identification and any other required documents, Printify will begin the verification process. This usually takes anywhere from a few minutes to a few days, depending on their current workload. While you're waiting, it's a great time to explore the Printify platform. You can start designing your products, connect to your store, or familiarize yourself with their range of products and features. Keep an eye on your email during this time, as Printify will notify you once your account has been verified. If for some reason they need more information from you, they will reach out via email, so make sure to check your inbox, including your spam folder, just in case. Once you receive the confirmation that your account is verified, go back to your Printify dashboard. At this point, you should have the full functionality of the platform available to you. This includes the ability to create products, access order data, and connect with other services, like your online store if you're selling through platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce. If you encounter any issues during the verification process or if your verification doesn't go through, Printify provides support resources that can help you troubleshoot any problems. You can reach out to their customer support through their website. They are generally quite responsive, and their team is more than willing to assist you. And that's a wrap on our guide to verifying your Printify account. With a verified account, you're now ready to dive into the world of print on demand. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your Printify.